On this video, I'll be reviewing the solar-powered LED floodlights with motion detection made by Intelamp. First, after taking them out of the box, make sure to remove the plastic covering the LED lights. Now, take a look at the solar panel. It's a decent size, and the manufacturer claims it will charge the battery even on cloudy days. On the back of the main light, you'll find two waterproof push-button switches. One is the power on-off switch, and the other is the mode switch. By default, the mode switch is set to low brightness. If you want the lights to be brighter when motion is detected, press the mode switch after installation. For installation, the easiest way to make sure your lights are level is to create your own template. I'm using this small piece of plywood to mark the mounting holes so I can pre-drill while I'm on the ladder. Using a level will help make sure the lights are properly mounted. I'll be mounting this LED light on the corner of my pool cage so one of the LED heads shines around the corner for better coverage. When it's dark outside, these lights will turn on automatically when they sense motion and stay on as long as motion is detected. If no motion is detected, the lights will turn off after about 30 seconds. I'm completely satisfied, and I definitely recommend these lights. Thanks for watching.